Hey friends! Welcome back to another new episode. Today, I'm working on a TWS Earbuds Charging Case with a very common issue. The main circuit board, also known as the motherboard, is damaged. Because of that, the charging case doesn't power up, and the left and right TWS earbud units are not charging either. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bring this charging case back to life using a simple and low-cost charging module. First, I opened up the TWS charging case and removed the display section. Since the original motherboard is completely faulty, I kept only the earbud charging lines and cut out the main circuit section in the middle. That middle part is no longer needed. Take a closer look. I kept the left and right charging pins intact on the cut section of the circuit. And for added convenience, I also kept the charging port on the right side of the case. Now I insert a charging male pin and check if there's a 5-volt power supply coming from the charging case's female socket. Using the socket body as negative, I identify the positive line on a small test board and connect the positive wire. The module you're seeing here is a simple and affordable lithium-ion battery charging module. It's called the TP4056 Type-C USB 5V1 lithium battery charger module. I connect the positive and negative wires to the input side of the module and then connect it to the output points of the charging case socket. After that, I plug in a USB charger and confirm that the module is receiving proper voltage. Once that's confirmed, I connect a lithium-ion battery and check the charging status on the TP4056 module. Next, for the 3-point positive and negative connections, I use short red and black wires. One end goes to the charging pins of one TWS earbud unit, the middle connections go to the other earbuds charging pins. And the final ends connect to the output terminals of the TP4056 charging module. As you can see, this setup turns into a simple and effective solution for a TWS earbuds charging case. Now I carefully place the TP4056 module, the lithium battery, and the extra wiring inside the charging case and secure everything in place. After closing the case, I check the charging once again. This TWS charging case now supports both micro USB and USB Type-C charging. I place the left and right TWS earbuds back into the case, and as you can see, they're charging perfectly. Once fully charged, these TWS earbuds are ready to be used just like before. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.